Hello, good morning, viewers. Let us find a solution to this geometry question, which says we should find the area of the gray region. So we are only interested in this area here. So how can we find this area? By ignoring this portion to the top. That is a great challenge, right? Let us understand this diagram first. This diagram showcases a cycle enclosed in an equilateral triangle that has a dimension of 6 units. So I think the best approach is to find the area of this equilateral triangle, find also the area of a cycle, subtract the area of the cycle from the area of the triangle, and that will give us the area of these three regions. And these three regions have the same area. After obtaining that result, we are going to divide it by 3 to get an individual area of these three regions. But we are only interested in the 2 here. Therefore, we can just avoid the top region. And how can we do that? By subtracting one of these 3 areas from the area of the triangle. So now let us get started. First of all, let us find the area of the triangle, but we need the height. And this is going to be our height. Let me call it h. And you know that this height will divide the triangle into 2 equal parts, forming a right angle triangle. And the base of this right angle triangle will be 3 units because the base of the entire triangle is 6. So now let us concentrate on this triangle here. This is a right angle triangle. We can find the height by applying Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse squared is equal to the other 2 sides, h squared plus 3 squared. To make h the subject, we say that h is equal to the square root of 6 squared, which is 36, minus 3 squared, which is 9. And this is equal to the square root of 27. But 27 is the same thing as 9 times 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 root 3 as our height. Having obtained the height, we can apply the formula for finding the area of the triangle, which is half the base times the height. Area of the triangle is equal to half the base times the height. This is equal to half. The base is 6. The height is 3 root 3. 2 can go into 6 3 times. Finally, the area of the triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 root 3, which is 9 root 3. All right. Now let us concentrate on the cycle. To find the area of the cycle, we need the radius. So suppose this is the center of the cycle. This is going to be the radius r. And remember that every interior angle of an equilateral triangle equal to 60 degrees. So if we should partition this angle right here, we have 30 degrees here, which is half of 60. We can apply tan ratio to find the radius. So tan of 30 degrees is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. R is equal to 3 multiplied by tan 30 degrees. This is equal to 3 multiplied by tan 30 degrees is the same thing as root 3 divided by 3. These 3's will cancel, leaving only root 3. Therefore, radius is equal to root 3. So now let us apply the formula for finding the area of a cycle, which is pi r squared. Area of the cycle is equal to pi r squared. This is equal to pi r is root 3 squared. Power of 2 will cancel the square root. Therefore, the area of a cycle is equal to 3 pi. All of these are in units squared. Remember that our main target is on these 3 regions. So we can now subtract the area of a cycle from the area of the triangle to find the area of these 3 regions. So let me label this as A1, A2, A3. And generally, we call them A. and A is the summation of A1, A2, and A3. So remember, I told you A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3, where A1, A2, A3 are all the same. So to find this area A, we take the area of the triangle, we subtract the area of the circle. Area of the triangle is 9 root 3 minus area of the circle is 3 pi. So to find A1, because all the three regions are the same, we can now divide A by 3. And this is equal to 9 root 3 divided by 3 minus 3 pi divided by 3. This is equal to 3 root 3 minus pi. All right. So we have obtained the area of one of these three regions. So how can we find the area of the gray region? We can just take the area of the triangle, subtract one of these areas, and we are done. So finally, the area of the gray region is equal to area of the triangle minus, let me call it A1, which is this area. Area of the triangle is 9 root 3. 9 root 3 minus A1 is 3 root 3 minus pi. And this is 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus pi. 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is 6 root 3. So we have 6 root 3 plus pi. And this is said to be the area of the gray region. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.